Okay, let's answer some questions about sa usual process in a courtroom. Okay, ano ba yung usually na pinapractice sa loob ng courtroom? Kasi depende sana yan kung anong kaso ang gagawin, kung plea bargaining ba yan or arraignment ba yan, cross-examination ba yan? So, depende sana yan. But, if you are talking about with the basic process inside the courtroom, ganito yan. So, pag na-open na yung courtroom, andun yung mga interested parties or interested na mga tao na makinig doon sa kaso, tatawagin ngayon ng clerk of court ang judge, sasabihin niya, please rise. Kung sa pag narinig nila yon, ang ibig sabihin, yung judge is ready na for the court process, okay, or the hearing. So, yan, papasok na yung judge. And then, next to be done is the formalities. Well, we have the court prayer. Yan. So, pag tapos na yung mga formalities, then, uupo na yung mga tao together with the judge, and then, of course, the clerk of court will start the roll call. Ano ba yung tinatawag na roll call? Babasahin niya yung mga naka-schedule na kaso sa araw na yon, and tatawagin niya ngayon yung kung present ba yung both parties. Is the victim present together with his lawyer, and is the suspect present together with his lawyers. So, pagkatapos ng roll call, of course, tatawagin na kung halimbawa cross-examination yan, tatawagin na yung witness, kung sino yung i-cross-examine doon sa witness stand. So, pag pupunta yan dyan, the next step would be manunumpa yan. Yan yung lalagyan na yung kamay niya doon sa taas ng Biblia, tapos yung kanang kamay niya itataas naman niya to say the tawag natin yung nanunumpa sila to tell the truth, nothing but the truth. Okay? So pagkatapos niyan, mag-start ngayon ang tinatawag nating direct examination. Ano yung direct examination? Of course, direct examination is the examination that will be done by the prosecutor. So, ito yung prosecutor ang magko-question doon sa witness, okay? Or doon sa tao na upo doon sa may witness stand, whether it's the suspect or the victim or a witness. Okay? So, kung sino man yung nakaupo doon, yung nag-question ng prosecutor. So, unang-una yan, prosecutor talaga. Because the prosecutor is the state lawyer. Parang ganun. Kung it's a criminal case, and it's a state lawyer. No? And then, after mag-question nung tinatawag nating prosecutor for the direct examination, the next would be a cross-examination. Ano naman ito? Ito na yung proseso kung saan yung kabilang partido, abogado ng kabilang partido, ang magtatanong doon sa nakaupo sa may witness stand. So, cross-examination. So, anong role ng judge? The judge will always sit there on his chair, and then he has to listen to both sides of the story during the direct examination and during the cross-examination. And of course, he has the prerogative to ask questions as it deems necessary to clarify things that has been answered or the reply of the witness or the victim or the suspect, whoever it may be, and to clarify questions, okay, from the lawyers of both parties. Ayan, dyan na pumapasok yung mga tinatawag nating please, lawyer, please, or prosecutor, please rephrase your question. Ayan. So, pag may nag-object, pag sinabi ng kabilang may tanong si prosecutor, nag-object yung abogado ng kabilang partido, sasabihin niya, objection, Your Honor. So the judge now is going to rule out that objection, whether he is going to suspend the next question or he is going to let the other lawyer rephrase his question. Okay? So yan, dyan na pumapasok yung tinitimbang na ng judge kung ano ang dapat na ilalagay niya doon sa magiging ruling ng kanyang kaso na hinahawakan. Okay? Pinapakinggan niya yung mga reasoning na inilalahad at mga ebidensya na isinasabi doon sa courtroom. Lahat ng yon, doon siya magbabase sa paggawa ng kanyang tinatawag nating case ruling. Okay? So those are the basic steps. Again, let us recap. So the judge will come in, and then we have the formalities inside the courtroom, then the case roll call, and then the calling of the witness or the person into the witness stand, the direct examination by the prosecutor, and then the cross examination. Okay, after that, then the judge will decide whether to continue with the proceedings or to dismiss the proceedings on that particular date and reschedule it again on some other time. Okay.